Cut it out.
Okay.
I
Okay, I won't.
won't judge.
Okay, sounds good. It already started. So, what's going on, positive people? I'm at my lady friend's house, and we're fixing her remote control. So this is how you fix any TV remote control. It'll vary from remote control to remote control, but what you really need to do is find the screws. So this is a Vizio why did I say controller? This is a Vizio remote control, and there were two screws. So there were two screws on either side of the remote, and they're really tiny. And of course, I'm doing this on carpet, so like those might get lost. But I've been careful, and I put them in the tray of my precision screwdriver. But I would recommend not doing this on carpet and then getting a shot glass. And what else you're gonna need is an opening tool, because most remote controls have like little tabs. So this was plastic snap tab together, so you can see like where the tabs grab onto on the bottom. I mean, this is the top, and then the bottom has the tabs that actually clip in. So you're gonna have to use your opening tool and then go on the edge of the remote and then unsnap all the tabs, because it's only held together by two screws and the rest are tabs. I even got like this little piece off the top, so like I got it broken down as far as I could, and then I washed it with dish soap and water, or like hand soap, and got rid of all the wine that she spilled on it. So I got rid of all that, and then she got out her cleaning duster, so we air dried everything. And then after we washed all the plastic parts, you don't want to wash the circuit board. So this is the part that you want to clean with 91% isopropyl alcohol. And you can just put rubbing alcohol on a Kleenex and then wipe the contacts down like so. And then you'll see the grime and like the sticky stuff come off the contacts. So that's why the buttons wouldn't be working. And they'd be sticky in between all the rubber buttons. So just wash all the plastic parts with soap and water, and then you just gotta figure out how to take it apart. Like I said, use your best judgment on using an opening tool. So I have a special opening tool. It's like iSesame. I got it off of eBay. Otherwise, you can use like a clay molding spudger type deal. I think I found this dumpster diving. And then you could also use a butter knife if you're desperate, but this is what a Vizio remote control looks like, all disassembled, and then all I have to do now is reassemble it, and then this should help you. Just always remember 91% isopropyl alcohol is key with electronics, and the shot glass fell. So I hope this helps.